Good morning students. Students, we were doing adjectives. Today we will learn about degrees of comparison. Adjective of quality describes the kind or quality of noun or pronoun. So this can be expressed in any of the following ways. Number 1, positive degree. 2, comparative degree, and 3, superlative degree. Positive degree is used for no comparison. When there is no comparison, then we will use positive degree. Comparative degree is used for comparison between two things or persons. And superlative degree is used for comparison with many. Let us see the example. Radha is a tall girl. She is taller than Seema. She is tallest in our class. In first sentence, here tall is used because there is no comparison. So we have used here tall, and tall is positive degree. In second sentence, she is taller than Seema. Here there is comparison. She is compared with Seema. So we have used comparative degree, that is taller. In third sentence, she is the tallest in our class. Here she is compared with many or a group of students. So we have used here the superlative degree, means tallest. Let us see some examples to understand degree of comparison. This is tall. This is taller than this. And this is the tallest among all. In second example, this is a long brush. This brush is longer than this one, and this brush is the longest of all. Students, now we will learn how to form comparative and superlative degrees. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. We can make comparative degree by adding er or more to the positive degree of adjective. Superlatives are formed by adding est or most to the positive degree of adjective. With short words, we use er for comparative and est for superlative. With comparatively long words, we use more with comparative degrees and most with superlative degrees. Let us see the example. Great, greater, greatest. Great is positive degree, and we have added er to the positive degree and est to the positive degree while making superlative degree. Beautiful. It is comparatively long word, so we have used here more while making comparative degree and most while making superlative degree. So beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Let us see the third example. Big, bigger, biggest. In some words, we have to double the last letter of positive degree. Big, last letter is G. So we have doubled G here, bigger, and biggest here. So sometimes we have to use this format also. Let us see the third point. Some adjectives are irregular and don't follow the rules of er and est while making comparative and superlative degrees. For example, good, better, best. Here completely different words are used in comparative and superlative degrees. While making a comparison, we use than after comparative degree. For example, Kavita is stronger than her brother. Here, stronger is comparative degree and we have used than here. Means after comparative degree, than is used. And while making superlative degree, we use the before it. For example, Mumbai is the biggest of all Indian cities. Here, biggest is superlative degree and we have used here the before that. So, before superlative degree, the is used. I hope you got the topic.